Hello, Redlands Unified School District parents and guardians. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to access your Aeries portal account. So the first thing you're going to want to do to access this account is to navigate to the district homepage, which is available at redlandsusd.net, or you can navigate to the homepage of your child's school. And then what you're going to do is scroll down a little bit, and you're going to look for this button over here called Aeries Portal. When you click this button, it will navigate you to a page that looks like this, and this is where you're going to be able to log into your Aeries portal account. Now, once you're on this page, if you know what email address is associated with your Aeries portal account, you can type in that email address right over here into that field. Then you'll click Next, and on the next screen, you'll type in your password that goes with your Aeries portal account. Now, if you know what email address is associated with your portal account, but you don't know your password, what you're going to do instead is click the Forgot Password link over here to begin the password reset process. And if you're not sure what email address is associated with your Aeries portal account, or if you're not sure there has been an email address associated with your Aeries portal account yet, what you're going to want to do is reach out to your students' school's front office, and the team there can assist you with either checking to see what email is associated with your Aeries portal account, or if there is no email associated, they can help get that email associated with your Aeries portal account, and then you'll be able to start the login process.